So what's wonderful about the School of Education is they work very closely within the different departments within the School of Education to make sure that we have opportunities. So me being athletic training, I had to work at Camp Randall doing athletic training observation, and the Cole Center here in the winter to do athletic training observation, but also being a part of programs like Adapted Fitness, where we get to work with individuals with disabilities to ensure that, we get some great experience so that way we're equipped to go on beyond college.
The Education Studies program is always offering students opportunities to advance their career goals. The program is always offering internships, volunteer opportunities that students can apply for throughout the year.
The school does an amazing job of helping you find an internship, as well as supporting you throughout the process. So I'm currently involved in an internship at a pediatric occupational therapy clinic, and it's an amazing opportunity to enhance my career goals, as well as supporting you throughout the process.
I'm actually the president of a health promotion, health equity learning community, and we try and offer networking events and any internship or volunteer opportunities, as well as resume building and just a space for people to talk in the major about their post-grad endeavors, whether that's grad school or right into a career.
I actually had an unpaid internship, which I was a little nervous about. I'm a first-generation college student, so taking a unpaid internship was kind of daunting, but I ended up getting the School of Education internship scholarship for the summer, which helped me pay for my summer and helped me be able to take on that opportunity. And it was really nice because I learned so much in my internship, and I would not have been able to take that opportunity if it wasn't for our internship scholarship.